Tessa Allen. I'm here to help small business owners understand what information to give to your tax preparer. This video is about the business use of home deduction, also known as a home office deduction. So, do you have a special area of your home that you use just for business? It could be a home office, but it could also be an art studio, a music studio, or maybe just where you keep all of your inventory. If so, you may have a business deduction!
Yay!
Talk to your tax preparer to determine if your space qualifies. If so, here's what you need to give the tax preparer. We need to know the square footage of your entire house. If you live in an apartment, then the square footage of your apartment. If you live in a co-housing situation where other people are also paying rent, figure out what is the square footage that you're paying rent for. Now, that's not just going to be your bedroom. That does include public areas, so make sure you include that. So that is the total square footage. Now, the next number that we need is the square footage that is used just for business. Go ahead and get your ruler, get your tape measure, and actually go and measure it so that you can give a very precise and real number. So then we'll have the square footage of the place that you're using for business and the square footage of your entire home. And with those numbers, we come up with a business use percentage. Now with that percent, we get to deduct a bunch of your living expenses. It's awesome. If you're a renter, you get to take a portion of your rent, a portion of your utilities, even if you have renter's insurance, that business percentage that your tax preparer will figure out for you, that is a business deduction now. That's awesome. And if you own your home, you get to count your mortgage, interest, and property tax, which you're going to give those things to your tax preparer already anyway. Also, they're going to need your homeowner's insurance and any kind of maintenance and repairs, things that you've done to the house. So say for maintenance and repairs for a homeowner, usually renters aren't doing that kind of thing, but maybe it would count for you. Say you fixed your front doorknob. That would be something that is not part of your office space, but someone has to walk through your front door in order to get to your office, say if you're meeting with a client. So that kind of repair would count. You would just say, this is what I spent to fix this part of my house or whatever. This is what I spent on the new doorknob. And just give that information to your tax preparer. If you own your home and you're taking a home office deduction, your tax preparer may also need to know how much you bought your house for and if you've made any big improvements on your house. And that's for depreciation purposes, and your tax preparer can explain that for you. But you may need to also have that information ready. You don't have to be breaking things down into percents and whatever. Just give whole numbers. Like, this was how much I pay for rent every month, and so this is how much I paid rent for a year. That's all I need to know. I don't need you to do any crazy math. That's my job. And tax preparers, this is way too long. I do not need to be going into this. Give me a break.